Hello everybody, Princess Bear here. We're back at Old Key West for one of our favorite restaurants.
Olivia.
Yes, it's been too long since we last had a brunch, so it's time to brunch.
You sure to Old Key West?
You heard the girl.
Key lime mustard. This is the eye opener because I thought it was smart to drink tequila for breakfast. This is worse than a tequila sunrise. This is like, would you like some juice with your tequila? This is just tequila. It definitely lives up to the name. It opens your eyes. So, 4 out of 5 tequilas? It is a bad decision right there.
They call it an eye opener. It sort of looks like a cracked egg, even though it's a lemon on like something with grenadine in the bottom. That's rather suspicious looking. It's got a kick. That's for sure. If you're not yet awake, this will definitely do it. As long as you can handle your tequila. 3.5 out of 5 plus.
I exactly see what Bear's saying with it looking like a cracked egg in there. When I first saw it, I totally thought that was a yolk sitting at the top. Glad it's not, because I know Miss Princess could not have that. That is not my jam in any way, shape, or form. That is tequila on ice.
It's like a hangover cure. It's not like that.
Yeah. This is what I needed, like, after one of our Epcot days, not at the beginning of it.
Agreed.
Here we have the Parrot Punch with pineapple and coconut. Oh, that tastes tropical. Wow. Hello, pineapple. 3 out of 4 pineapples. It's very refreshing. I thought it was going to be a little more melony. It's very refreshing. It's almost like drinking straight pineapple juice.
This looks more my speed. I could just use a little bit more pineapple, like a whole, just sitting on top. Ooh, I like that. It's a party in a glass. Olivia's trying to get you messed up early, very, very early. 4.5 out of 5 plus.
Isn't that what it's like to be in Key West?
I mean, yeah, right?
Yeah.
You do start early. I had to get it. I do love some rum, especially early in the morning. Since we're not like into the pretty anymore, just go ahead and soak for me for a bit. Really pineapple-y. Really fresh. I think it's great kind of a morning drink. I'll give it like 4 out of 5 for me. I'm gonna drink all of it really quickly.
So here we have another entry into the art of the Bloody Mary. How many things can you stuff in top? We have celery, we have some swine, we got some sea roach, some olives, and a lime. Never tasted the lime. Putting the lime in all my drinks. And this one looks, just looking at it, looks spicy already. All sorts of nothings floating around in there. Woo! Ah, it feels good. I'll get all up in there and start tickling your insides. Let's see, why do Bloody Marys get the spicy part right and margaritas here can't? This, with a little bit more spice, could actually hurt me. 4 out of 5 plus.
I'm excited. It's like the most accoutrements, almost. When there's a chicken nugget on top, I'd say it's the most accoutrements I've seen yet. Oh wow, it's the
A thick boy.
Well, that's really good. I do like the spice in it too. It's not like spicy, it's just got like a good kick, kind of feel in the back of your throat. Not a big Bloody Mary girl, but I'd give that one like a 3 out of 5 for me. I'd drink that.
Papa's Hash. You can get this to go via mobile order and Monday through Friday usually. It's not on their brunch menu traditionally. It is usually a Beyond Burger, but I asked them if they would make it and they said yes, so always ask. It's usually really good. This looks really greasy though. one thing Olivia's has not skimped on is the seasoning. Wait, is this meat? Or just tofu? No, this is tofu. It's very good. It's very well seasoned. Highly seasoned. I like it a lot. I would, and it's got a nice kick to it too. I would give it 4 to 5 potatoes. It's very good.
Ash, trying to get all the goodies. That is a lot of flavor. It's got a good seasoning, a little like slight kick behind it. I'm into that. Yeah. I'd probably give it like a 3.5. I would eat that for breakfast for sure. It's a good option. It should definitely be something that's a little bit more available for people.
I like the nice display of color. This just proves that if for any reason you're not feeling the menu, ask. Most of these chefs, honestly, they like a challenge. Heavy doses of spinach. These tomatoes are huge. For a hash, this could have been chopped up just a little bit more. I'm losing everything here. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. It was actually a pepper and not a tomato. But I love the kick and the seasoning all the way through. I love they're not afraid to get it a little bit spicy. A lot of places try to make things for like the broad palates that can't handle spice, but this might hurt a couple people, but it doesn't skip on the flavor. I like that. This definitely should be on the menu all the time. There's no reason not to offer tamari, especially if you have 2 plant-based options, just offer them both. Some people don't like all meat. This, I would order and not feel bad about. 4.5 out of 5 plus. Here we have a delicious looking side of grits. It's a big portion for a side. Oh, they're nice and creamy. Not all clumpy and or watery. At least know what they're doing. Perfectly creamy. Slight hint of butter, but not overly buttered. You put a little pepper in there. These cooks, they got some swag in the back. I don't know what they're doing. They definitely know how to do it. 3.5 out of 5 plus.
It's got a little bit of bow. Got some grits. Got some chicken and waffles.
I always have to get grits at a place because I'm very judgmental of grits. Not everyone knows how to make them. Those are really creamy though. You can definitely tell they use the fat, probably some whole milk, some butter, maybe some half and half. It's definitely creamy, rich, what it needs to be for some grits. I give it one like a 4 out of 5.
So here we have the Olivia's favorite? This is like a platter of like the breakfast items. If you want like a light breakfast, we have potatoes, egg, some nice thick cuts of bacon, and a biscuit. Try these eggies first. Nice and fluffy, nothing wrong there. A little bit of pepper on them. They do well. 2.5 out of 5 plus. Then we have the potato. Interesting, like gravy or sauce or. Oh. Like a little bit of gravy on it. That's an interesting twist. I like that. 3 out of 5 plus. That's for the biscuit. Oh, but it's not like a dry Popeyes biscuit. And that's right, I'm throwing shade to Popeyes biscuits because I hate them so much. Nice and crisp, soft and warm inside, just like a biscuit should be. 3 out of 5 claws. That's why you can come for me, but my hate for Popeyes biscuits in the comments. Good for the bacon, which looks bacony. Perfectly crisp, not a lot of fat. All bacon should come like this. Overall, give the plate 3.5 out of 5 claws. They do the basics well.
I feel like that is the perfect, like... And then chicken and waffles, so excited.
There's a bacon jam on this, which sounds like my jam. That's different. I wasn't really expecting it. I don't know, maybe it's some of the bacon almost gives it like a barbecue sauce kind of flavor. Like hickory? I don't know. It's interesting. I like it, but I wasn't expecting it at all. I'd probably give it like a 3.5 out of 5. It's good though.
So here we have the chicken and waffles. One of those things that Olivia is known for. I just want somebody to be bold enough to join me on this side of the line and make a chicken and pancakes because we know they're superior. But for now, I'll have to settle. Nice fluffy waffle, thick chicken, heavily breaded. This bacon jam. I'm not doing well with the fork today. There we go. Waffle is like less fluffy and more spongy. I'm not sure if I like the breading on the chicken. It's a bit like thick, maybe like a bit overdone in places. But it packs a lot of flavor, so they definitely seasoned it well. The bacon jam's a nice touch. Overall, I think it's a great presentation, like a unique serving of chicken and waffle, not just like your plain Jane, here's chicken, here's waffle. Got a little bit of powdered sugar in there for the touch. It's above average, but not the favorite I've ever had. I give it 3.5 out of 5 claws. Olivia's is a special place in our heart. Does not disappoint.
It gets better and better every single time that we come here.
Drinks are still solid, food is still good, service is still immaculate. It's always going to be a must recommend if you're thinking about going.
Absolutely.
We definitely think we should. As usual, the only question is, why haven't you been here yet?
It is a local favorite.
I need you to let me know in the comments why you haven't been here. It better be detailed with solid points and a good closing paragraph. I'm serious. Either way, if there's anywhere else you'd like us to go, that's my place to find us. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
We have new videos 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe
You heard the name.
and like this video for the Florida. Nobody likes Florida, man.